course you're gonna see my face with herbs and spices when I'm sick.
My mom's a Ghanaian. My mom's a Ghanaian.
I don't know who eats mango like this, but I've been noticing a lot of things about
Stop talking about me.
I've been noticing a lot of things about my mama that I didn't know.
About me.
Let me show you. Look at this. Why are you eating the skin?
Talking about me. I'm not eating the skin.
Then what? What? How are you eating it then?
I'm squeezing it out. So good.
What? What? Why? Why
Can
are
I
you
eat my
eating?
mango in peace?
No.
Do you want some? That's a question. That's a real question. You want some?
Yes, please.
No. No.
Why? Are you pulling an Ari? The the no.
Bro, can I eat my mango in peace?
No. Why does it look
But
like
a lot of people eat
that?
mangoes like this. This is not new. Like, come on.
They just
You've
like
never seen
No.
someone eat mango like this?
no.
I don't,
I'm guessing a lot of people haven't seen it like that. Most people don't most people like cut off the sides and then they make like the little like grid and then they poke it out and then you eat like the little cubes.
No, I can't
I
eat
don't
this mango.
understand.
My favorite fruit is mango. And Olivia's favorite fruit is also mango. But guess what?
You don't want to share.
She doesn't have any mango in the house.
Yeah. Because it wasn't there when we went grocery shopping. Why are you eating the mango like that? Did you eat the skin?
So good.
Ma, you ate the skin? Are you
Watch me.
Are you squeezing it?
Watch me.
Can I have some? Please?
I told you.
Please?
I know you want this mango. I know you want this mango.
Please? Just a little bit.
This mango is perfect.
It looks so sweet.
Just
It
a lick.
looks
Just a lick.
A
Just a
lick?
squeeze.
I get a lick? Okay.
That's it.
Nothing came in my mouth. Ma, please?
You see this?
Guys, my mom is a Ghanaian. Of course, she's gonna eat her orange different than everyone else. You should see what she's doing in the kitchen, the way she pukes it. By the way, Sophia's helping me film this one, so. Hi, Mom.
Guys,
Okay, what are you guys doing here?
help me.
Oh my
She
god.
took all the rind off and cut open the top so that she can like squeeze it
That's the
and
best
drink
way.
it.
That is the best way. This is the best way.
But isn't
You
it
see
so
this?
time consuming?
Honey,
Like taking off all the rind just
this
so
is
carefully
the
so
best
that
way. You peel it like this. You can get all the juice out. You cut the top. And then you squeeze it. Eat it. What do you mean?
But
You take the top off. You can squeeze it. This is good. You want to try?
sure. Thanks.
My mom's a Ghanaian. And look at Sophia over there. She's... Hey, that's not how you do it.
What am I doing?
I said squeeze it and eat it.
I did squeeze it. And
How?
It squirted on my face.
Please, you guys can go. Take yourself. Go.
Can I
You
take
too.
it? I'm a Ghanaian. Of course I can't handle things with my left hand, or else I'm ready. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot war. African food edition.
I'm ready, guys. Look at this.
We got jollof rice with
Oh
some
my
fried
God.
turkey. We got some boiled yam.
Canton roast stew. I am so ready.
Are you ready, Mom?
I'm ready.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, I won. You got scissors.
Damn it! No, it's not taking me away. Damn it! Oh my god.
na wotimi nso se abusua na omwo no so no eni gye efe na eni gye de ebi wo mu yie pa omani gye wo ho yie na in fact menzuzu da se de maame wosi atena kwantu mache eni ade krai Ghana ya mamre niema wo ise nyina kra no obekoso akai e wo hode atete ne mai wa ya de abɔ ne ho modin yie pa na hwese de abofre eyare malaria se de na achi no na wano new tree and you go packeting and the blanket akatakola iso akora shocky and yakola no mama omo de den komuni mo ane se malaria to a hospital na beko ya ma wadu anase ama injection eno ama mo di omo nim mami da so kai Ghana ye nyeme bia ye Ghana ya mamre nyeme bi ano de ni mai nyina ya de FM wa ya de abɔ ne ho modin yie pa na hwese de odi mango yiso odi na konso hwese de Ghana ha se enya mango na se di aye canon na ye fimia atwi nso no edi no sabepe na maami da ne di ewo ifi ho no nso na ne ba no kra be hu ye kra hwese de esi je ne nwanwa ande na nko susu se ankane maami be sensene mango no wasensene wi otwitwa e gu brandem anase wode be hye machine mu no be squeeze mango no menya emu nso na no sabepe na bofra na nko expect se ne maami e be ye esanse ne maami ye de Ghana mamre eni ade na atiti no ntino okon African way okon Ghana way wakano anya botre emia mango no a ofe mango ni di mango no wani jimu ebusiafo efe ye pa ma me ne bo no homoden na hwe anka no nso se di wanya botre e de sikan ato anka ne ho esensena anka yi kakra abofra no be hu just e no wanwa just a different thing be man out to zo hu bi da omo de self fruit niema ne ade ne de omo na ya machine on di shemu no ma squeeze emu nso no omo no ma de na so be nya abotre afa sekan na wo de asense na de we kakra ne ade de bi da omo mo nya ne sa o de African way no de ewura nkwara ne mu o de African way no tete nkwara no ama in fact nkwara nso hu ye no a shock wo no bani nyina chukura no tumu se nkwara no o manage hu ye pa na Ghana ye nua ne so ahodo mu di nso apisi ene joro fi utumu se ni nyina kra no emofra no omu dia omu nya energy omu nya homeka omu nya hosepe omu di mo omu to omu se yes eye duane papa omu se yes eye adepa na utumu se maame ni kunu ebroni o energy ahodo a oba no e di obusua no efem no ebura dwene ntiase so efe yi pa a enye asabketwa.
If you want to get a good wife, Oga, do 5 things for your wife. If you want your wife to respect you, do 5 things for your wife. Oh yeah, number 1, always give your wife money. Number 2, don't forget to give her money. Number 3, Oga, keep giving her money. Number 4, don't go out without giving money. Number 5, if the money finish, go and borrow money. Because women, they like money. If you don't get money, no follow woman.